Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Disney filter using Lightroom mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to -88. Highlights to -74. Shadows to 66. Whites to -27. And blacks to -24. Next, go to Curve. In this preset, just set the red and blue curves. And I've made these curves before, you can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free, just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 30. Tint to 53. Vibrance to -18. And saturation to 11. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 7. And luminance to 18. For orange, hue to -11. Saturation to 43. And luminance to 25. For yellow, hue to -6. Saturation to -21. And luminance to -3. For green, saturation to -24. And luminance to -20. For aqua, hue to -6. And luminance to 11. For blue, hue to -53. Saturation to -18. and luminance to 11. For purple, saturation to -29. For pink, hue to 14. And luminance to 13. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -10. Clarity to 46. And His to 10. And last, go to Detail. Sharpening to 16. Radius to 0.50. Detail to 30. Masking to 25. Noise reduction to 43. Detail to 100. And color noise reduction to 25. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.